Alright guys, so I just thought I'd take a chance to show you how I have my quick disconnect for my winch on. Usually I keep it inside this box, which sits inside of my toolbox. But I have it out right now. This is the one that came with it. And these are my quick disconnect. I have the female on this side and the male on this side. It's just regular outlets, just like you'd put on like in a extension cord or anything. And how I have it set up, if I can get the camera on, how I have it set up is I have a power and a ground running from the battery to this connector. And then on my connector for the remote, I have this connector. I plug this one in here. That sends power to this. And then through the other side, I have this connector. And this connects to here. One side goes to the power of the winch, which is this side, and the other one is the ground. So all I have to do is plug it in like that and then hit the out button and you hear it working. It goes in and out, and that's about it. My winch is a super winch, 2,000 pound winch. You can see it right there, 2,000 pound winch. I just have it mounted on the front, and that's about it.